want your children to learn to read? Tap the language you want your children to learn to read. Alright, your children will learn to read English. Tap this green button to continue. I listen to your children as they read out loud and help them when they get. Children can choose from hundreds of levels to. Children can earn stars by signing in. Your preferences and profiles will be saved. Great, your profile is saved with the above email. Please read this notice in full to understand the information we collect and how. Look, a new profile is created for you. Let's read. Fat King Thin Dog. This is a fat king. Now you try. This is a fat The king runs after the dog. Dog. After. Runs. Tap the language you want your children to learn to read.
సరే తెలుగు కథలు చదువుదాం. మామిడి చెట్టు. అమ్మమ్మ వాళ్ళ తోటలో. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. తోటలో. 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 వాళ్ళ. 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 ఇంగ్లీష్ కథలు